Okay, here we go. Super excited to see what we get. And I just had a conversation with my boy Poof from the Cryptoys team and told me that there is a promotion where if you get 3 of these cubes, they will gift you at some point 3 more cubes. So just when we thought this was all going to be over, there will be 3 more cubes coming at some point. Probably in about a couple of weeks, 2 to 3 weeks is the guess. So
I hope we get some special ones in them.
So who knows what they're going to be?
Legendary.
You never know. Legendary, epics, rares.
Grails.
A grail, maybe?
An ultra grail.
Can you imagine if one of the gifted ones was an ultra grail? What?
Imagine if we got a bunch of them of like all the same number of all the characters you can get, of like a whole row of one of them.
That would be cool.
And then we got every ultra grail.
Get out of here. All right. We're not going to be that lucky. So, okay, let's go ahead for now and pick one of these here and see what's what. No, he's closing his eyes and he's doing the mouse trick.
That's one.
All right, he did it. Closed his eyes, moved his finger on the trackpad, and this is where we landed. Letting the magic of randomness decide for us. Oop, tell you what. Do that. Yep, hang on. Once this comes up, you can be the cube opener. Cube button opener pusher. Okay, press and hold. Okay, there you go. Good. Oh, let's see. You have the magic touch? Does Nicky have the magic touch? Boom! Boom! An epic! You sure do! You sure do!
I have to do it every time then.
Nicky opened his first cube by clicking the button and he pulled an epic. You know why, right? Because you're an epic kid!
Yeah!
Yeah! I love it. Boom. 377 of 600. Oh, flan. So flan is a dessert. It's like almost like a jello, like a pudding. It's like a custard of some sort. That's the food that she is. She's flan.
We got her. She was honey.
Yeah, we did, right? And with the colors, that was a really good guess. But right, flan is like this, and then it's it's like that browner on top, so it makes perfect sense. So there you go, Mr. Nick hit the button and pulled an epic. Look at that. Oh,
I have to do it all the time.
Yeah, all the time?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Well, I've pulled some epics too, along the way, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Yeah, but never a girl.
Neither of you, Smarty.
Because it's my first time.
Oh. Okay. Well, there you have it, guys. Nicky did the random, Nicky did the button, and we've got an epic sorceress. There you go. All right, very cool. We'll be back with more.